everybody, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a pencil case out of a toilet paper roll. So all you're going to be needing is obviously a toilet paper roll and a scissors or clear tape or any kind of tape. So first thing you're going to be doing is you're going to be cutting this like around here till you get 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It doesn't matter how much you have, as long as you cut them. So after you cut them into different sections, how small or big you want them, but it can't just be 2, it has to be at least 4. You're going to fold them in like this. Fold, fold, fold. So yeah, you're just going to be folding all of them on top of each other. So it's like this. Looks pretty cool, right? So yeah, see? Fold in, fold in, fold in, fold in, fold in. So you're just going to be folding, literally you're just folding everything on top of each other. Fold, 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 fold. Then this is where you need the tape and the tape and the scissors. And whoa, this is a big piece of tape. I'll just cut that in half. So if it doesn't stay down, you can obviously use tape, and I highly recommend using tape so it does stay down forever. And then you could put the tape down. Cut that. Oh no. Just gonna tape that. And then tape it down so it looks like this. I don't know if you can tell by the thing, but you literally just tape it down. And you're going to push it down on the ground so it's able to stand. Boom. See how it keeps falling? You're going to push it in like this. So it's like a little indent in here. So because you just push it down and then it's able to stand. And there you're done. And if you want to, you could decorate it with paint. You could decorate it with marker. You could even put hot glue on it. Whatever you want to do to decorate it, that's fine with me because I'm not controlling it. And I'll give you an example on the pencil case. It's pretty small, but it's pretty worth it. So it's just a mini portable pencil case. It's not one of those high things, but it's fun to make. So yeah, hope you enjoyed my video. Comment down below what you thought of it and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye!